You want to do it the right way. You want to go with the accredited and everything is all good. This is what we do. We got people that we have worked with and whatnot. So that's why we keep telling you to contact us, and they activate when they hear, the real South Africa, because of we're here on ground, we're an accredited company and all this stuff. When it comes to real estate, they're not chasing things. They know they got the properties, they know they got the price points. So they're very selective of who they work with. And so when we come through, they're like, oh my God, we want to work with your people because we know that, you guys bring top-notch people here. So I like this bedroom. I like that houndstooth. The houndstooth is the pattern on the material. So we got this going on. So we skipped a lot of stuff, people, but here's the bedroom, main bedroom. I finally said main bedroom because we kind of get away from saying master. And then there's a shower, and I'm about to show them something. But here's the shower. They messing with me, but this has an outdoor shower as well. And let me walk around. Like I said, we're doing it here in South Africa. We're doing it well. Forget about all that stuff they tell you. Just forget about all that and come see it for yourself, because they're going to constantly, try to guilt you and fear.
Don't miss the lemon tree.
Oh yeah. So you said privacy.
Oh my goodness.
These walls start to make sense a little bit. Yeah.
I love this particular establishment because of how mature the greenery is.
This whole community is like that, and that's why I like it.
That's why I like about this community.
Yeah.
That the greenery, because it's not new, a lot of it is mature and grown, and it's just very lush and it's beautiful.
When somebody said mature trees to me, I didn't know what they were talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but so that's good. That's good.
No, I love it. And the primary bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
With this view,
345.
every day you wake up, that's
345. That's all I can say.
That lemon tree just got him.
Oh, okay. Let's go check it out. Right. So they got it right here. They got the lemon tree right here, guys. You probably don't realize, but this is a trampoline. Yeah, it's a trampoline. I'm probably gonna break my knee. Let me get off. I'm afraid of everything. I'm afraid of everything that can break my knee at this point. So then you got this little area back here, and it's real cozy. It's real cozy back here.